Hi, yes, I have been searching for a great periodontist for the last couple of years. I live in New York, and unfortunately, I haven't come across somebody that I feel very comfortable with. When I moved to Florida, or actually about a year and a half ago, I researched periodontists in this area in Florida, Southern Florida, and I found Dr. McCawley and his father, who were excellent professional periodontists that I was treated by a year ago. And I have to say, the bone loss that I had has come back. I don't have any bleeding gums. I have to say that the amount of professionalism that this office shows is just amazing. And I'm just telling you out there, if anybody has any issues with their gums, please make it a point to see the McCawleys, the Doctors McCawleys. And that is about, my experience with them has just been phenomenal, and I can't complain about anything. And you know, they're not the type of doctors that are pushing to do extra work because they feel they need to do that. No, these are not those kind of doctors. These doctors care and want to give you the best help they can possibly give you. And believe me, I'm speaking the truth. This is an amazing place. Thank you.